Good morning, children. We are going to continue with yesterday's class. That is with the chapter Marketing and Sales. In the previous class, I had spoken about what is marketing, what are the objectives of marketing. Okay. Now, in this class, and also the different departments in an organization or a firm or an industry. Okay. Usually, it contains all that. So here in this chapter, in this video, we are going to do meaning of sales and its objective, difference between sales and marketing. Sales are the activities related to selling or the number of goods or services sold in a given target period of time. The seller or the provider of the goods and services completes a sales in response to an acquisition, appropriation or requisition or a direct interaction with the buyer at a point of sale. Acquisition is he acquires, the seller acquires. Appropriation and requisition is when the buyers request for certain amount of goods and services. Okay, so that is sales. There is a passing of titles, that is the property or the ownership of the items and the settlement of the price in which the agreement is reached on a price for which transfer of ownership of the item will occur. The seller, not the purchaser, typically executes the sales and it may be completed prior to the obligation of payment. Okay, so what happens? Seller, he gives the service, that is, how does he give? Either the service or goods, and transfers the ownership from the seller to the buyer. Okay, and the seller can also give, like sometimes you people buy the things on installments, right? So the whole payment is not done. Okay, so the seller can give the goods even based on, that is also known as sales, because one day or the other, after a stipulated time, you will be getting all the money back, right? In case of indirect interaction, a person who sells goods or services on behalf of the owner is known as a salesman or a saleswoman or a salesperson who is doing the work in their behalf. Like in every shops you go and see, you have salespeople, they come and demonstrate the products and the other stuffs in the market. Okay, and they are also known as sales clerk, shop assistants and retail. What are the main objectives of sales? Achieving sales volume, that is the first important thing. That is, sales means whatever the products are there, they have to see, the sales department has to see that the product moves on into the market. That is known as penetration. Okay, and it reaches to all corners of the targeted region. Okay, and the more penetration means the more the product spreads all over, maybe your own state, two, three state, all over the country, all over outside your country also. That is known as sales volume. Okay, that is, the more and more you sell the products, the sales volume keep on increasing. So sales department has to take care of it. Contribution to profit. Sales bring turnover of the company and this turnover results in profit, isn't it? The more you sell. So what is the formula for profit? Is sales minus cost of production. So this is the major department, they have to look into this matter also. Then continuous growth. A company cannot remain stagnant. There are salaries to be paid, cost has to be incurred, and there are shareholders to be answered. So this is the department which helps the company to keep on continuously growing and moving. If there is no innovation, the product level of the company has to be blamed, isn't it? So the sales manager, sales executive, they do all this work. Okay? They push their products into the market. Okay? Financial result. It is another objective of sales management and are closely related. Thus, the variation in sales will directly affect the net profit of a company. Hence, maintaining and managing sales is important to keep the product services organization finally available, isn't it? It's very important. They have to keep it selling the products so that the financial status of the company is maintained, okay, and that will increase the sales volume in return, which will increase in the profit of the organization, and the company will continuously grow. Okay. Now, what is the difference between marketing and sales? Okay. What is marketing is trying to get the company to make what the consumer wants. They decide marketing, they do research work. It's a process now. And trying to get consumer to want what the company makes. This is sales. You have whatever the product is being there in the market, or which is there, the company has made. It is the duty of the sales department. It is the duty that they sell the product to the consumer. It is wider concept. It is a narrow concept. Resolves around the needs and interest of the consumer, resolves around the needs and interest of the company. Marketing, that is what it does, no? They go and they try what the consumer wants. And sales, everything depends upon the company. The more products are there in the market, the sales department, there it is a duty to sell off all the product and to get maximum profit. Has an outside in perspective, and here an outside perspective. Now I'll tell you, outside in perspective is what? Marketing department, what it does is, it goes to the customers, it comes with a new ideas like what are the demands of the customers and things like that, okay? And here sales department, what they do is, they go from inside to outside, means whatever their company is producing, it is their duty to sell the product outside, right? Then interacts and gets feedback from the sales, interacts and gets feedback from the marketing, because both these departments are interlinked with each other. Aimed at interesting revenue, both of them, their main objective is to get money for their organization, okay? Tries to identify and define, okay, and tries to persuade leads to buy. Identified leads, that means they have to search the customer, and here the sales department, they have to force the customer to buy whatever product they have, by convincing them that how important that product is. Begins before the production process begins, and this begins after the production process. Continues after the product is sold, doesn't continue after the product is sold. Focuses on the long term, and focuses on the short term. Okay. In this chapter, children, you will be doing questions. Please write down. Define marketing, what are their objective? Define sales, what are their objective? And difference between marketing and sales. These are the questions you should write.